Both right there, right there, both right there, right there, right there, right there. Right here, in the car you at. Right there, where you at? Right there, where you at? Right here. Right there, right there, right here. Right here. Right here. That's him, dude. Right here. That's him. That's him, dude. Hold up, brother. Hold up. He got the bag. 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 Who got the bag? He got the bag. Backpack right there, bro. He got the bag right there. Backpack right there, bro.
Shit.
Right there. He got the bag. He got the bag. Yeah. Where my wallet at? Yeah. You got the bag. Where my wallet at? My bag. Where your wallet?
That's them. They all robbed them. They all robbed them.
Where's wallet at?
That's all them.
But don't bring that shit around here. Don't come around here and take goddamn shit.
Fuck! Right there, Mark. What? He ran across the road.
Where you at, Joe?
Right here, man.
Who shot? Where'd he go, to blue?
Yeah, blue. He took off that way.
In the blue shirt?
Yeah, he's in a blue shirt.
Where'd he go?
He took off right through that white car and off the other side.
Come on, let's
You all right, man? You bleeding too, brother?
yeah, Bookie is. Man,
Yo, man, hey, your arm's fucked up. You all right?
They jumped on me inside the club.
All right.
Hold now.
Who's hit? Who's hit?
Right here, that's him.
Yeah, this him right here. This is our car.
Right on when you going towards Yale.
Come on, man.
By the car wash.
Bullshit.
Yeah, we got
Somebody been shot. I'm holding this bull.
Come on.
Please, come on.
Pookie, stay with us, baby.
Come on, Pookie.
Stay with us, baby.
Pookie,
I'm
don't
not
leave.
going,
You got
sis.
I
No.
And
Take
all
a
of them.
breath.
Come on,
Take a
please,
breath, baby.
ma'am.
Where'd the big dude go that everybody beat up?
Been shot.
Relax.
Yes.
Yes.
I need an
Yes.
ambulance. 911.
Oh, God damn.
Hold on. Talk to this woman. Let me hold this wound.
Hello?
Hey, I'm gonna pull your pants up, okay?
No, my leg is.
Are you okay?
My leg is hurt. I something my leg.
All right, back up.
I'm not fucking about my pants.
All right.
What the fuck?
I don't know the address. We are on 11. 11 between Yale and Sheridan. This is hospital
All
Sheridan.
right, back up. Everybody back up. Give him room.
Nah, this is my brother's.
That's fine, man. That's fine. You help him, dude. Everybody looking.
Man, what the fuck?
Dude, it's the Route 66 Event Center.
Route 66.
Event Center.
Man, come on, bro.
I don't know.
We got one ambulance coming already.
Y'all let him go. I got him down.
Hell no.
All right, back up. Everybody back up.
Don't start yelling.
Everybody back up.
Who is it?
Who is that?
Pray for him. Don't start yelling over him. He's trying to get. Don't get this on Snapchat. Don't.
Nah, everybody back up. Back up. Oh,
This is my brother.
I know, man. I know. Come on, back up. Come on, man.
Chest compression.
Come on, back up.
All we need is help.
Move your head. 960. Okay, hold on.
All right, everybody back up, man.
Hey, bro. He got shot. I think there's 2 people up here that may be shot.
Come on, I got the pressure on the stomach.
Is that security?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah?
Did you call 911?
Yeah, the ambulance on the way.
Fuck.
Hey, back up out of this area, man. Look at all these shell casings. Get out of here.
Everybody move the fuck away.
Back up.
Move the fuck away. Now.
I see your prayer.
Hey, don't walk through here.
Sorry, ain't no way.
No, nobody, they're not here. I'm sure they're gone.
Hey, Marvin.
It's on the way.
Don't.
Come on, man. Does anybody else see it?
I don't know, but they don't need to be taking that car.
Yeah, does anybody else see it?
No, I got the keys to that car.
Okay. No one else. No one else is here.
Do not move him. Do not touch
Yeah, no. He's fine. He's fine. They doing fine. They doing good.
Keep pressure on it, y'all.
I got it.
Okay.
Come on. I got you, Pookie.
Don't give up. I retired now. Remember, I
They're in
retired.
front of my chair.
I retired here, baby. I retired.
Y'all need to get out of this car. And you need to get away from it right now.
Everybody gotta back up.
Hey, back up out of this spot, man. Back up. Come on. Come on, back up. Hey, get out of this spot, man.
Yeah.
Your other daughter.
Okay, they're not.
They out here. Right here. I got it in my hand. Be still. Be still. I don't know. Somebody put this shit out there. Be
Watch out, make way for the ambulance.
Yeah, make way. Move. Fuck, they're staging.
Don't move.
I got
Don't move, Put it up.
Hey, threat's gone if you want to call him up here.
You got a gun in his pocket? Okay.
I got you. No, I can't. Hey, if you got a gun, put that shit away, okay?
We need to keep everybody.
Yeah, you can crime scene. Come on. Go. They're too late.
Security here. Stop moving.
I think he is. He might be inside, but yeah.
Big bro, stop moving, man. Stop moving, man.
The guy that... No, never mind.
Hey. All right, here comes. Hey guys,
Here comes the paramedics and ambulance. Oh.
Stay right there. Don't move.